Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing of my birthday pen. Yay! It got here super quick, like 2 days after he shipped it, so that's exciting. This is actually really cool. This may just be one of my favorite pens. I know that at some point I'm gonna have to insert a video of this pen in like natural light, because I know that I'm not gonna be able to catch how beautiful it is with this lighting. But so yeah, so let me get this out of the box and I'll be right back. Yep, it's a Walltown pen. Today's one of those days when my son is homesick and it's just been interesting. I've got my stickers, which I love. Okay, so let's just say this is the Onslow model, and this is Peacock Plume with Alchemist Delight, and I did get a 1.1 stub nib on it. Now, oh gosh, let me zoom you in. Okay, so it's so pretty, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. I think in my viewfinder as of right now, you can see how the ends look a little red, but in person they're flashing me gold magenta kind of a thing. And then right here you see green, but where I'm sitting it's kind of purpley blue, the whole peacock thing, right? Oh wow, that's probably a really close representation, although, you know, the more you turn it, the darker it gets, kind of a thing. Oh my gosh. I will link the Instagram video, the reel that he posted of this pen, so you can see, because he does capture it very, oh my goodness gracious. If I could show you, I wish I could show you just how stunning this pen is, because I cannot capture the beauty of it. Oh boy. Yep, this is my favorite. This is absolutely my favorite pen of his. Easily number one, with the Violet Abalone one I have is number two, because that was my holy grail pen for a long time. Okay, do you see right here in the threads how you can see the purple? So as you see it there, from where I'm sitting, I see it here. So that's, even though on the screen it looks green, so it's a very incredibly beautiful pen. I did get a 1.1 stub nib, and I thought about getting a two-tone, but I ended up with a silver one. Oh my goodness, I can't with this pen. Oh wow, I really do wish I could capture the colors better, and I hope that in the clip that I'm inserting right now that I did a better job at capturing it, because it is definitely purple, blue, green, shimmery goodness. Oh god, it is so beautiful. Oh my god. So yeah, I don't even know what ink to put in this. I don't even know. So let me ink this up and we'll do a writing sample. Okay, so I decided to ink it with Colorverse Ham to glistening ink, because it's blue with a little purple pink shimmer going through it, so I figured it would go very, very nicely with this pen. Walltown Pens. I don't know if you can hear my dog playing with my son. Oslo with a 1.1 stub nib. Oh, it's nice. It's juicy. This ink is flowing very nicely through it. Yeah, that's nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am so happy with this purchase. I can't even begin to tell you. This is like the most perfect birthday pen. But yeah, this is absolutely freaking stunning. Oh, I really do wish I could capture that color shift on this camera, but like I said, I may have to take it outside and see, maybe perhaps with better lighting, because I don't think I am catching it. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's stunning. Oh, that's it. No more pens for, I don't know, a little while. 6 months, right? So anyways, I will link Walltown down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you all in my next video.